they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm
Sir, you know that in this school, like I said, sir, you know I told you I would go and get you more information.
Yes.
And sir, you won't believe who I just saw once again.
Who?
Sir, once again it was Benes with the guy Iddi. And then
that same guy.
Sir, this one they said, relax, for I have proof, photo proof, sir.
Okay.
Sir, look at it. Oh, there are more, sir, as you can see.
How come?
I was just going dilly-dallying, and then I met them standing at the junction. I was like, what are they doing there? And then at once I was like, wow, I have to take a pic and show it to you.
This today?
Just today.
Benes, why?
Sir, I believe you have to confront her again on this. But sir, please, this time I'm begging you, sir. Please, don't mention my name, sir.
Why is she doing this?
Sir, in fact, I have no idea.
What does she want?
Sir, you know, my job is not to be giving those answers, but it is to get you proof. And I've gotten your proofs. So I think it's high time you confronted her once again.
Benes.
Sir, Bachana, relax.
Can you send me those pictures?
Oh, sure, sir. If you want me to send it to you right now, I can send it.
WhatsApp, send me a WhatsApp message. Benes.
Okay, sir, 1 moment.
Oh,
okay.
Benes.
Sir, you should receive it in a few minutes, sir. Sir, please, important question. Sir, now, Papa Pinimo Tidana broken heart to me show them now.
What do you mean? Oh, are you stupid?
Sir, they don't there like the way I'm Pumakumetu. Hey, that's how the oh, they be so.
And you moja na me wrong.
Sir, moja. Obi anu a liquid soap ni nam ni sir.
Benes.
Sir, why there the way I see you today?
What's up from my boss mo? Can't see through any score. Oh, stupid boy. Oh.
Sir, na misikare. Sir, misikaro.
Benes. Benes.
Scanty.
Yeah, Precious.
Why did you come here?
Precious, it's still concerning our conversation.
I was in a group meeting and then you called me. Please,
Precious,
talk fast.
Precious, ma try my best, Precious.
Which best? It's either we break up or our relationship goes to the
Precious,
public.
of late, why have you been mentioning breaking up or going to find someone
Because
else or something?
you are not
Why?
willing to make this a public relationship, and that is what I want.
Precious, we can't make this public relationship.
Why? Why?
Precious, as time goes on, you be work on it. Like right now, on time I say, Precious, I love you. You say be a me who or Bible school mo hunting.
No, I think you are dating somebody at home or in school. Cause
I'm not dating anyone, Precious. I'm not dating anyone. I don't have anyone. It's just because of my uncle. School mo be him say me need girl be me. Oba ben.
What if the person is at home?
Precious.
Nah,
how many times have I been going home? I'm always on campus.
I don't get it. I honestly don't get it. Because you initially agreed to it. You agreed to the fact that we were even making it public.
Precious.
So I don't get why you're making this something which is a big deal. But this is no big deal.
Precious, it's a big deal for me. My uncle. Precious.
So, June, I created a TikTok account for us.
TikTok?
That we're going to do couple goals and all that. And you've messed that up. Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, everywhere.
Precious, so everybody
to know, if you have a girl at home, the person will know that you are in a serious relationship. So why don't you want us to make this a public thing? Why?
Precious,
nobody is telling me anything. It's from my own ideology. So why are you making this seem then like Precious, I am the one overreacting?
Just tell me you want to break up with me. Just tell me
I said it's either we make this something public or we break up. If you don't understand, then that's it.
Oh, Precious, do you just want to go back to Aroma and that's why you are doing all this?
Aroma is not in this. It's either you make us let everybody know about it. That's all.
Precious, try to understand me, Precious. Listen to me. Precious, I love you.
You don't love me. If you love me, then why don't you make us do this?
Precious,
it's
listen.
that simple.
Precious.
Scanty, don't touch me.
Precious.
Leave my leg.
Precious.
Oh, right now, the thing is, it's either public or break up.
Precious.
If you know that you're not going to call me to tell me that let's make it public, don't ever come. Leave my leg.
Precious. Precious. Prayer.
Our relationship goes.
Abi.
What?
I don't have a quick.
Oh, Cecilia, na ejin ko say akwa na me try na hag.
Which I want hag. Tambe.
Cecilia, na.
Ada wo be chantro. Ah? Dabi wo su antro tambe.
Abi me if you didn't come on, me try na hag.
Scanty. Wo de wo ni mu ntro twa me serew. Cecilia menini na bai wo bun kotodwa aga ne de abufu atwa fa so. Wo so wo twa na hag. Ah.
Ube na hache.
Wo bi tamte me be na hache. Scanty. Wo chantro me hwe wani ma mitimi wo so wo chantro. Ada se wo su askweta mola ni bi. Askweta no oba timi be hye no ho. Onya na hwe no atwa antro ahye ne be ma so ne nada.
Oda bi se.
What's your mola ni bi? Ah? Scanty, get na ye de nko a wo de ka kire me. Hwe me ye nipa me ye boy ti se wa. We ye bro to bro. Se bibi wo ho no ma bi bo me.
Opoku bibia nko so de na hu me mbu nkotojo. Se na me ni hia ye na na ewi na me hage no na so okọ campus. Also ye group status. Ha. Me.
Scanty wo chantro.
Na me bu nkotojo.
Wo su askweta.
O dabi. Wani askweta. Me.
Scanty menini wo bu nkotoje.
Opoku me bu nkotoje
fresh or dey bufu atwa fa so. As for Scanty,
poison affect you any ana.
I affect me many.
Me ma bu nkotoje.
We ma make chiro, akata ni mu nkotoje mpo ba che o. Akata ni upon every situation, you don't have to kneel down before a woman. Rule number 6 no. Don't beg a woman for love.
Me mbu nkotoje. Precious upon life be am don meet me bibia ba me mbu nkotoje. Me mbu nkotoje wa asere.
I fifren so tie tinatiko. Or ne sa fa so.
Ayo kwan.
Scanty wo bro, ase wo nyo okay, ase jina na ase bibi nya all right. Ase wo feel okay wo. Ye dey na ekoso. Ah,
Opoku bibia akoso. Me okay sen. Me okay.
Yenko na yekọ class.
Na wo hanan ka wo kwan. Asem bia ba asem
ni
bia ntwema na be
fun wa ko didi aba. Ba science teacher na ba nti yenye na yenko.
Untimi ndikan.
Unyo okay kan kure.
Opoku me okay o de yenko.
Na maka cho se menya girl flow. Ah,
girl.
They say menya girl, me na bia Facebook account ni TikTok account ni na bom.
Na wo judi.
They say a creative relationship goals. And no a man there this time around sound of mo create account boom na mo trendy. Na mo je gym ho so oba pa krokro. Oba krokro, opa bata. Twene brown ho mani feel so wo dey tiu.
Wo ye kun kwase.
Ade. Ade me dey no so yo ya.
Da bi se wujina bibi su na e kan bi.
Oh, ade abesi wa se mi so ana.
Asembe.
Ani yankwa. Science teacher na ba ntim. Wani mu nya me fe.
Opoku yanko.
Scanty wani mu nya me fe. Scanty.
Yo. Wo yanko.
Wani yankwa.
Ya na be frame yanko.
Kofle no. Kone kofle no onuru achire kone kofle no. Two step. No one wachi baako. Two step no one wachi baako. Kwa yeko be na chi o.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso.
Bernice, why are you doing this? Why are you cheating on me? Bernice.
I'm not cheating on you.
Bernice, you are cheating on me.
Babe, I'm not cheating on you. What proof do you have?
What proof do I have?
What proof do you
Okay,
have?
wait. Who is this?
It's AI.
Hey, Hey! Depends on phone. What is AI?
It's AI. You don't know AI.
Iddi, you're 2 pounds down with AI. Who is this?
A friend in team.
Dennis, why are you doing this? Dennis, what's wrong with you? What do you want?
I can't cheat on you.
You can't cheat on who? My 2 pounds down. Who can't say you can't cheat on me?
Name your AI.
Hey! And the school the man could be a very bad you. Dennis, I don't know Babu Coco John.
I was passing by, then he decided to greet me.
Hey, Dennis. Why? Dennis. Hey. Dennis, you are killing my soul, Dennis. I'm loving so much, but look at what you're doing to me. Dennis, what else do you need?
I don't need anything from you. I can't cheat on you. Just understand.
But you are cheating.
I can't do that.
Dennis, you are here. Claire. Dennis, you are the one.
It's everything. Please don't be mad at me, okay? Please don't be mad at me. Talk to me.
What should I say?
Anything. It's not true.
With this glaring evidence, you are telling me it's not true. How?
I think the person works for Hiniba, that's why. It's editing. You know, Hiniba is very good in editing, so...
Dennis, I know what I'm doing. The fact that I love you doesn't mean I'm stupid. I know what I'm doing.
So you don't trust me anymore?
It's not a matter of trust, but it's not an editing.
It's a matter of trust. It means you don't trust me anymore.
Dennis, if you want me to trust you, stop cheating.
No, it's just understand. I'm not.
What should I understand? I should understand that you are cheating.
No.
Then let me
But
understand.
I can't do that. I can't.
You are doing something and you're telling me you can't do that. How life? This is not fair. This is not fair.
So who sent you that picture?
It's none of your business.
I know you're not going to tell me the truth. It's fine. I can't do that. I'm not cheating. I'm going back to the hostel. No, I can't cheat on you.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with me, yeah.
Sorry, excuse me. I didn't mean to cross you.
Say my person will be salsa. So come on, crutch. The maybe you could school. When I'm not met simply say my come on, crutch. Then school, no one to my check. And the seems one. Mean a meeting in a watch. Say my, you say, only a colony, the company, I'm a colony, yes.
Headmaster, what do you think about me? Say school, maybe child you know. You tell me school, I could done it. I could know, I day. Hey, sir. TV, meet me, yes, Sada. Is school will make us a next and the missile detaining Guanua. I can make me already in Yago. And you tell me, teachers, you are born me and may train for that day. Now, maybe I could have a idea.
You,
It will be good when you was your night.
say my man, dear person, say man, no crew, no person, say by us on the bar, who say that Messia Swasson. It is out to me, I catch him say a yellow credit. And I must my father say yellow credit. Name will be Casapu, which in a share. If it didn't we did the main
Headmaster, 7 years school will be cheap. School will be a crabbish. It will be what teaching a bit. What is school you do? That's what I'm detailing the school children. Yes, me no, have a chairman area, have a corner baby.
I hope so.
So me, and this will be the question. I master.
Yes.
No.
Relax. Me can't say you.
But no, the way you ask me, no, something like you accusing me.
There be me the somebody. Me be some. And then the person who's the person who grew. Sabe a dachi bi adu se ko ba say ya pa. Mo se bi sa so asam nafa.
Ehon said that se ko ba say.
Yeah.
No cre.
And me just say there be said that asam. That check up. So don't tree. It wouldn't never.
That check up say. Asama ba we headmaster Mr. Iddi. Yeah, pastor no put sibre. We be sane. Me say ntesa. Wo se say dia.
Me the main case for you. Mese that is a cobas no crea. Sebe see a swasem moves near Mecca. Not the sea. And it's all time we never sent Tessa. Most of my father sent Tessa. No, Papa be a naughty and needing your Johnson, your king. Many limits my car.
Me am of a no okay, me and trade, your trade than the winning.
Are you? Here, pa.
It's a baby easy. It is so hard to make me better than a dear machine of him. I'm one woman I could die. And to me, I'm a second to see myself.
Somebody, such a place you. And I say, me not be able to me, sir. Mr. Iddi, you are also to me now. Remember the man got to so me. Somebody will not catch him so point me. And I'm going to match it. And you say it's and you won't mean it. Your father says, say, no, father's a won't mean it.
And then your family say, me,
then you say, oh, that's a man, come in, Casa 1 year, but not
She Casano. I'm a teacher. If you speak tree,
you should be able to interpret it well.
Oh no, my man so for no again.
Are you? And someone in
Mr. Iddi, Antisa, and you correct. Not even good school in Mwase. And two, not this crazy myself.
Yo,
Antisa.
Just hoping say what you're telling me is the truth. Otherwise, we will say Hazakis.
Yeah.
Maybe they didn't make and a macan. And it's a crew, that's it. Namatin and crew, that's our cousin, man. It blew no one, and Mamma was a Mr. Iddi headmaster, and then I imagine as somebody will read in Yama. Medially, my friend said, send him sick and
Headmaster, I'm wanting yourself. And you there, I'm school, I mean, Papa.
Nasema mimi ni paboni.
I'm kabe out in Papa. I want to train a man into Mamba for them of a man to fair one, and I want to that. I come and say, I'm and
penny for Muslim Papa upon us in China.
Besides, the virtual Engineers. So I come back and one Judea. That is school will draw only in Nano, and then I'm a age one.
Send the bad into Mrs. I'm to support you to stop it and be a
watch is different, and mind is different.
You, Mamma, in the Macan and a Macan.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brussels.
I love you so much. Of course. No, in this school, there is no one as pretty as you. Hannah, Miss Malcolm, I don't already hear this. I'm serious because I've not met any jewel like you. A radiant embodiment of a goddess like you.
I'm blushing.
In fact, hey, we are so sweet. Like honestly, my love, I love you so much.
Oh my God, I'm blushing. My name says how you sweet, say you know.
I'm always sweet.
I'm
always sweet. It's just that I'm just me. Most of the time, I just live my life basically, so nobody knows I'm like. When I don't want to bet in Sisia.
To be dated, so.
Nobody. Hey, now I live home. Sweetheart,
I'm so glad you got me.
I'm so glad that you came to me first. I'm so glad because whenever I look at it, I just realize that we are meant to be. we are meant for eternity.
Hey, Obroni.
I go for them. We said I go crying about one. I will be 50. Oh, me a serious man.
Wow. Oh.
In fact, like right now, I'm pedal
Okay. Sing for me.
Oh, baby, me who and me imagine me boom. Oh, me a damn sir, me too. And the may have been promising me. Oh, baby, me who and me imagine me boom. My son too. And the may have been promising me. In fact, I love you so much. Me make because it's genuine. Very,
Are you sure it's genuine?
I'm very sure.
Thank you for loving me, okay?
Of course. Thank you for all what you do for me. Hey, my heart's like, oh my God. Come on.
Okay, so tomorrow I'll get you some stars, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you need?
Oh, me and Kebiani
just food.
Yeah, just food.
You don't want money?
Oh, and a cash kakra by all means.
Okay.
So that one, you don't worry at all. Now, so we in some meeting, now my old come out here.
Aha, that's what I like.
My old come out. That one, you don't worry.
Huh? If you are land, the go for me now. Train plan away. Some madam, so we now go up on 10. When you say school information, you know, go say, "My word, dear." Common explanation. A common dream. And you were not to a boy winning it, getting him. I don't want to say my year. Because you are here for friend. Oh, for friend. Let's say almost a canteen time as one. You know, movie called canteen. No one be sure to come. No more young man. When you go in the Burma to no more. When you go in the Burma.
Yeah, allowance for service.
Of course, we never say so. I want to meet the DPR. They are very come out here.
But yes.
Boy, we say on it. From full, I'm say on it. Near Saint Watching plan. No, say, Channel Hukwa, no, son, my ya could say. Let's have put back out for 1 to move. Hey! From full near Saint Tua. Much walking on. William my Betty. In my year, nothing better. Connie.
Aroma.
I messed up.
What do you mean by you messed up?
I treated you poorly, Connie. And I can't even express how sorry I am for the way I acted. I took for granted every single thing you brought into my life, Connie. I pushed you away. And all you wanted was to be close. Connie, I'm sorry. I am very sorry, Connie. You're more than enough, Connie. You were more than enough, Connie. But I was so caught up in my own insecurities and issues that I didn't see the amazing person right in front of me. I am sorry, Connie. I am extremely sorry. I am very sorry. And I want you to forgive me, Connie. Please. Hey, I'm sorry, Connie. Please forgive me.
Don't cry. You're making me emotional. I get that you are sorry and all, but and I've forgiven you. We've already spoken about this. And I told you I've forgiven you. So why are you bringing this up again?
I want you.
What do you mean by you want me?
I want you back, Connie, please.
Aroma.
Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, like, what do you mean you want me back?
I love you. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry, Connie.
I don't know what came over you to date my best friend. Well, scratch that. We are over that. I can't date you again. And besides, I'm in love with Scanty. We are just having issues of late. And then I just came caring for you. I don't actually have any interest in you anymore. If I actually knew I'm interested in you, I wouldn't come caring for you. Honestly.
I understand, Karen. I understand. I don't even expect you to forgive me right away or even at all.
I said you're already forgiven.
I know. But I don't expect you to forgive me right away or even at all. But I just want you to know that I am very, very sorry for the way I acted, Karen. I am working on myself.
I said it's fine.
I'm trying to be a better person, Karen. For me and for anybody, anyone who will come across my path, Karen. Please.
I get all you're saying. And I'm not interested. But I just want to let you know that it should be a moral lesson to you, okay? So that when you enter a new relationship and then you find out that the girl really loves you more than you love the girl, you will cherish the girl and not go for any other girl. Come on, Aroma, calm down. Don't act this way. This is not the end of life. There are so many other girls out there. Aroma.
Sorry, Kari. Please.
Aroma, why?
Please forgive
Aroma,
me.
get up. I don't like this. Stop. I don't like this. Get up. This is not the end of the world.
It is the end of my world, Kanin. Please. If you leave me, I will die, Kanin.
You left me. You didn't die. What do you mean by that?
I was mad, Aroma. Aroma, why didn't you see this?
Aroma, there are so many other perfect girls out there.
I don't want them, Kanin. I don't want those perfect girls. It's you.
There are so many other good girls out there. Trust me. I'm already in love with someone else. I can't just come back for you like that. That's not how it works.
I understand.
I know maybe I led you on recently by caring about you and I'm really sorry.
I understand.
Aroma.
I understand. I know you are dating Scanty, right? I'll be waiting.
Aroma.
I'll be waiting for you, Kanin.
What do you mean by be waiting for me? Aroma. Why this all of a sudden? It's because I've started caring about him. Did I just lead him on? Making him think that I'm still in love with him. Oh my God, precious. But I'm still in love with Scanty. And I don't like Aroma anymore. There's no way I'm going back into that toxic relationship. Come on.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any monster jam.
Fanfula. Actually so you believer. Fanfula. School mo aminim sen come no there. Then you go 4 and 5 school mo. But watch them so we a believer.
I tell you me believer say.
Na me school mo aminim sen me yusu kupeni dupe 6 and 8. Me say me boy near Stanley Javi. Say oh bo moderate no Tony Cruz school mo. Fanfula. Odi ani asantoa.
Eh.
Odi ani asantoa.
Asantoa dem classmate. Na dem bio.
Iminim say na your classmate. Asantoa woni asantoa hyehyɛ. Don't lie.
Odi agro sisi a mebo.
Hey,
me do mebo.
Hey, akokudo pe na ababo e so. Obabo me.
Then now the best shame say me ni asantoa hyehyɛ.
Hey, I wedding.
I'm a SMM
Wedding. Wedding asantoa.
The man in mempie. I will bet you ke on bwetin na kedu nkonko sanda.
Aw me. E woni dem me boleta.
Aw e boleta chi no bia. E ke on bwetin de menyama ne ba na bet na la so kwa na mbwetin kotin na area wa ha.
Ami me mbwetin kotin.
Ami
aw edim.
Me edim
asantoa edim.
Hey. enyim na mekati the madi will be there hours immediately asantua ada me be yo opoku
ada abolopa
opoku sonye
awo abolopa ka mebel mekum
opoku why dey pede no mi da agol na ehyiam awon minim dey enya business bi am awo dey nim dey sika di mi hia bi kama ebe ya within asantua na
no for ana me pewase ana school mu ha bibia gu mi semse ana de bia me ready can correct we are brothers. This is a bro-to-bro conversation. Asantoyo plan.
Asantoyo me hwiu opoku. Ale wa ku hunde a wo kasa asantoyo me mpena.
Me hu hwe but pay de nenam school mu ha na pay de.
Pay de nenam school na we what is mo kamene asantoyo ase mo be.
One or two be. Can correct. Don't lie.
Obi na de me sama me sunsun ne koye sa de na me pa de me.
Fanfula
masa. Me e come di me na me de tia no. Enyem say enyim na edimi da agura se mesi abowo ato ha no adewo e me minyu akwela
ada abolopa amembolopo na zere abolopa
nse pede iwa
na aba asem na pede ka chem am ba se brought to go conversation ba nkoma edin em se abolopa
oh member how the end
kan wa koma to yem se wo ese de make am enima awmatu
mata
enti kenekeda
oh how the call
kenekeda
menkeda dead then opoku menkeda dead
F for fanfula
opoku
double F for fanfula
S for sonye hey banka kanka me kamicha wasa kanti hey
misa kanti
me kamichiro
on se kan de sense nan kan am fin Bianca just osibida. There is sense na kan. Se kana no fia na there sense na kan. Obianca za osibida.
Chide bi o.
Ene okwa akọ bi omom to anka. Na Jennifer susu wani bi. Who say be fucking. Anfula. Oni asanto a shop. You and asanto arrangement.
Arrangement.
Yes, what
you asanto have no arrangement.
Your arrangement.
We have no arrangement.
You are arrangement.
We have no arrangement. Don't come and talk like that here.